Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is meat grinders. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit, the length is about like a 13 and 1/4 inches wide and 15 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 29.5 inches tall. So we can see from the manufacturer, they give you a couple accessories. We can see this one and sticks. And also they give you two different styling of this replaced plates, the grinding plates. For the small holes, it is about like 5 millimeters. And the original on the machine ones, they are about like 7 millimeters. And also for the units, we can see they do have a simple controllers. One is working, one is stop. The green one is working and the red one is stop. And these units, for these plugs, they were using the 220 powers. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.